Kiss Daniel has done it again. Crazy Finishes today, let's have Kiss Daniel on the channel 8. I need to firstly apologize to my supporters. Y'all told me this Kiss Daniel song came out. I did not pay mind to y'all. My fault, like a lot of new music was dropping, but yo, I was just scrolling my TikTok and I swear to God, we just got done with our parents stealing Booga Lololo from us, and now Kiss Daniel has got another big hit called Kof Odo. Right now, this is that song right now. You know, on TikTok we had Love Non City, we had Close, and now it seems like Kiss Daniel's turn. He got Kof Odo, which is going crazy. So I'm gonna check out the song here, bro, guys. Hey, tonight we got Wizkid, we got a lot of albums dropping, but I had to do this one here because shout out to Kiss Daniel, man. He's actually he's an OG in the game, but he still kept up to date, so I need to give him his flowers. Also, just the thing of what his experiences here is crazy. Imagine when the hit like Booga go crazy with all generations. Then the Tanzania situation, we thought, oh, he's in trouble. Now he's like, yo, let me come back again and just drop another hit. So y'all stop playing with, nah, shout out to him. So let's check out what Kof Odo is saying. You get me? You know what to do. Let's cover that bell button. Road to 13k. Yeah, bro, we got hella videos tonight. Hella people dropping tonight. So y'all stay tuned. But let's see what Kiss Daniel's saying, man, with Odo. Has he gone 2 for 2? Let's see.
Alright, go.
Why was my man bare coughing at the start? Yo.
Alright, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress. And I want to.
So far, it's giving the same aura of like Booga West. Like it sounds like older generation. This one for y'all. You understand? We're going. Ooh, like Afrobeat song. Let me see you go lo lo lo. I'm liking this one.
They make me forget, say I get no. By the end of the night, at the bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves.
Yo, which part on TikTok is it then people are doing? Is it just the start when it does the coughing? But yeah, it sounds alright. It's alright.
Just your bestie, Danny bro. You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She me you come through when you're heartbreak. Heartbreak, push and shit heartbreak. Now me the bike dinner for your man then. Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love.
I want to double layers now. Hold on.
And I want to carry
extra
my
cool.
love to a place she loves. I'm a man. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves.
Let me know what Odo means as well. I want to flex
by the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up.
I Kiss Daniel Kof Odo. Quickly, I need to see a TikTok come because like I don't see. It has to just be the start they're dancing to, right?
Alright, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
That's hard.
I want to press, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Hey, ayo, let's go. Come see waistline, boy.
This video will make you smile.
Alright, go.
Okay, let's go. Uba. I love Kiss Daniel though. Like, despite if I like this song or not, he's making these vibes type shit for everyone to dance to and just be happy to. So, I
want to press, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves.
Go on, join him, bro.
Alright, go.
That's cute. See what Kiss Daniel's doing, like regardless. We're not gonna rate the song, but like it's not. I don't think. Is there Kiss Daniel songs for me, guys? Y'all know me, so please recommend me some songs you think I'd like, cause I kind of like. Let's say like, cause the lyrics aren't really hitting me. Maybe it is. I don't know what Kof or Do means. Let me know. But like, yeah, recommend me some more Kiss Daniel. Maybe I'll do like an episode on him, since I feel like I'm missing something, but I want to get to the bottom of it. But now shout out to him, man. He's making everyone happy type shit. Booger, I saw everyone at their weddings. Go, let me see you. Go lo lo lo. Now again, everyone's doing Kof or Do. So you get me. Shout out to Kiss Daniel. He's a hit maker, certified hit maker, and like. You get me? Legends never die type shit. So shout out to Kiss Daniel for this song. Guys, let me know down below if you like this song. I didn't say TikTok. Shout out to the TikTok. But the song, and you know what to do. Let's shout out that bell button on to the next song. We'll see what it's saying. But until next time, Phoenixes, have a blessed week. And we're gonna allow the L to the W. Hey. I want to flex my love.
I want to chop your body. Not spread it, let go. You decide if you ever come to let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah, I'm sad, I know.